All right, guys, before the video starts here, wanted to give you a little backstory. My buddy Steaky took a turn last night, hit a rock, blew his tire. He happened to give us the details of where his car is, so I took it upon myself to go sneak up on his ass and try to help him out because he had to call a tow, couldn't get the tire off. So I figured I'd go take a look, see if there was anything I could do. Steaky and his Papa Iron went out. Didn't have any luck. The tool they were using was stripping. But as you'll see, I went out there with one of my little tools I had in the car, and I was able to help him out. So check it out, guys. Down old Steaky's road. Somewhere out here, some rocks took precious Steaky down. Try to ride slow here, see what we can see. I think it's coming up around this turn here. Fucking huge pebble blowout. Somebody sprinkling rocks. Okay, so I saw the rocks, but they're on the other side of the road. I'm gonna spin back around, check that shit out. I'll come back to you. Fucking flat Steaky over here. Steaky with a fucking...
Steaky. Stuck. Not good, Steak. Not fucking good.
Had some troubles getting the lug nuts off here. I went ahead and used my tool and I was able to loosen them all up. So I'm gonna call Steaky and try to save him from this tow bill because I got everything loose here. I'm gonna give him a call now. I'll check in.
What's up, Steaky? I'm gonna save you on that tow bill, Steak. You ain't paying for no tow. And next time I offer, you better take me up on it. I'm your fucking car guy, pal. Merry fucking Christmas, Steaky. Fucking car guru master renter.
Merry fucking Christmas, Steaky. Fucking car guru master renter.
Sup? This is going on YouTube. Holiday special edition. Taking me hours to get this fucking wheel in the air, baby. Let's see if I got anything else. Make this a little quicker. I can't believe I got it off. Fucking huge.
Out here in the rain, fixing Steaky shit. Little early Christmas gift for my boy. It's my fucking boy. Steaky. He's not a car guy, so you gotta help non-car guys out sometimes. You know, it ain't easy wrenching, especially not in the rain. But, you know, it's just a screwed up situation, so we're gonna take care of Steaky.
Come on, Steaky, get over here. Let me show you what I got going on. Where the hell are you at? Get this fucking tire off. I was gonna say, there might be something I don't fucking know about this car. She's off, baby. We'll check in when they show up.
We got Presh working, saving my ass 50 bills.
Car guy
Massive
out here
save.
saving them.
Huge save.
Saving my guy some
Yep.
cash money. We got him on the road here.
It pays to know car guys.
Saving Steaky some Christmas money.
Big cash flow.
All right, that's
He's
good.
about to get a free meal.
Oh baby.
Cut.
There he is, old steak ball taking off. Another happy little steaky. Freaking donut lover. All right, Steaky. Closing this one out.